Welcome back once again. Today I am here with another video of AutoCAD 3D mechanical drawing. We will draw figure number 22 right side of our screen. So let's start video. First we have to give some limit to this drawing. So type limit, enter, set lower limit 0, 0 and 100, 100, enter. To apply limit command we should zoom and extend, so type Z, enter, E, enter. Now select view. I will draw this drawing from front side, so choose front view, go to line command, click here. Here the line is not perpendicular direction, so in order to make it perpendicular, click ortho on and take a distance of 76 unit, enter. Upside 14 unit, enter. Drag it left side and just hold on it, do not click. Take it off, click here and then join, enter. Again line command, click here, take it off and distance of 75 minus 14 is equal to 61, so type 61, enter, and take it right side for a distance of 14 unit, enter, and then close here. Again line command, click here and join. Select all the object, type J, J for join. So all the lines are joined together. Now go to press pull command, simply press pull it for a distance of 102 unit and this region also 102 unit and this region of 14 unit. Now go to view, southeast isometric view, view style, shade of gray. Now click this portion and move, take move command, click center point and then midpoint. Okay, now click this line, these lines are no longer necessary, so erase it. Okay, here the drawing is almost ready. We have to create some hole from both sides of the flange. So first union it, take union command, click here, click this object, enter. So all the parts are joined together. Then take move command, select here, move it and select this line, E, enter, erase it. Now go to copy and edge command. Okay, copy this edge, select, enter, click here and take this side for a distance of 20 unit, enter, double enter. Again copy and edge command and copy this edge and click, enter, at a distance of 25 unit, enter. Here also this edge 25 unit, okay, and the space is 15 unit, so simply copy, select this line, click here and at a distance of 15 unit, copy, select this point, okay. Again copy and edge command and here also click this edge, click anywhere at a distance of 20 unit, enter, enter. Now take circle command, click here, click this point at a radius of 8 unit, here also 8 unit. Select this circle, select copy, base point and click here. Now again line command, click here, join, click here, join. Here also okay. Now go to top view, select change the visual style, wireframe, then trim command, select this circle, trim this portion. Okay. Similarly, again trim command, trim this inner portion. Okay. Now go to southeast isometric view. Here it is. Again line command. Click here. Take it off side and click here. This side also. Click here. Take it upside. Perpendicular. Okay. And here it is a 30 unit off. So again copy each command, click here and give distance 30 unit. Similarly copy each command and select this edge, enter, upside 30 unit, double enter. Now take a circle command, click here and radius of 7.5 unit. Here diameter is 15 units, so radius will be 7.5 unit, enter, and draw a circle here of same unit. Okay, now select all the lines, these lines, here it is, these lines, and erase it, simply enter, erase it. Here holes are drawn. Now change visual style from shade of gray and take a placement command, click here, backward direction, click here, backward direction, click here, click here. So holes are created. Here it is, some curved portion is there, this edge, this edge. So we have to make it curve. Here radius of curvature is not given, so we should take any dimension. So go to fillet, click this edge, fillet radius, take 5 unit, enter, enter. Here it is, it's looking very small, so again fillet command, fillet edge, radius is 8 unit. Here it is, it's looking very good. And again fillet command, click this edge, again fillet command, click this edge, double enter, and this edge, double enter. So drawing is ready. If you want to give color on it, select it, and give it yellow color. Go to realistic, here it is, The drawing is ready. Move it. Select this line. Just erase it. So here it is how I have created this drawing in AutoCAD 3D. So thank you for watching. If you think it is helpful, so kindly subscribe my channel. Thank you.